In this video, we'll show you how to apply wall decals that have a transfer tape layer over the front of the decal. We sometimes include a transfer tape layer when we have larger or more complicated decals, and this really helps you during the installation as it holds everything right in place for you. Here, we're just putting a piece of tape across the whole decal to hold it in place. Using a credit card or squeegee, press the transfer layer into the decal firmly against the wall. Now, above your tape line, peel back one corner of the transfer paper and the decal together and separate it from the backing layer. Take your time doing this, and if you happen to notice that the decal is separating from the transfer paper, go ahead and press it back on the wall and take out your squeegee or credit card and rub it into place. Now, once we got the backing layer separated from the decal and the transfer paper, we can go ahead and cut off the backing layer. Now that we've got the top part of the backing layer out of the way, we can go ahead and slowly press the decal to the wall. Here, use a motion from about the center out towards the edges, just smoothing it along as you go. Now that we have the top part of the decal secured to the wall, we no longer need the painter's tape, so go ahead and peel that off. Our next step is really easy. Just flip up part of the decal and pull off the backing layer, slowly working it behind the decal. We'll usually pull off the backing layer just a few inches at a time, and then press the decal in place, and then repeat pulling off the backing layer in sections. Now we can go ahead and remove the transfer paper. Start from one end of the decal and just gently pull down, making sure that the decal is sticking to the wall and not to the transfer paper. One trick is to pull very flat against the wall and definitely avoid pulling towards yourself, which may actually pull the decal up away from the wall. Just work your way down, slowly pulling the transfer paper off the entire decal. And if you have any small bubbles or creases, you can work them out by hand with a squeegee or even using a hair dryer. Just warm up the decal to loosen up the bond between the two. And there you have it, another great decal from retroplanet.com.